Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve talkback problem on Oppo phone device. Friends, we have talkback problems of how to solve talkback problem on Oppo phone device. Today friends I am going to show you in this video. Friends, you are not operating your phone, you have the same problem. Friends, you can see how to solve talkback problem. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. First of all, you use your two finger, any two finger guys. But yeah, you will have to use two finger because with one finger you cannot solve your talk back problem, friends. Friends, we will use two finger. Guys, click on your phone setting icon. One tap on phone setting, guys. Two tap, friends, continue. Double tap to activate. Double tap here. Friends, you can see setting will on. After on phone setting, friends, click on any phone setting and guys scroll with two finger. Friends, one tap back button. Be careful, guys, don't do any mistake, friends. Slowly. Additional setting, guys, one tap here and guys continue to tap. Then friends, you can see guys, you can double tap here direct friends, and guys you are not doing so guys, you can with double tap also guys. One tap, double tap. Phone additional setting guys, double tap here. Accessibility direct friends, you can double tap, and you can double tap with one finger. Talk back guys, tap here. Double tap here friends. Talk back friends, you can see. Double tap here friends, you can see cancel button and stop button. Friends, click on stop button and then double tap here. Talkback problem is solved, and friends now you can use guys your phone without any talkback problem. Talkback problem is solved on Oppo phone device, and guys now we can use our phone without any talkback problem. So friends, like that guys, we can solve guys talkback problem guys with two finger guys on any Android phone and any Oppo phone. So bye bye guys, we will meet in the next video.